Hey guys, I just want to do a short tutorial right now, and that tutorial will be on how to go ahead and check out the APR and APY so that you can farm for the highest rewards on the Plenty-swap. All you have to do for this is go ahead and head over to the Plenty-defi website. After you get your Plenty and you aren't sure what you want to swap for, go ahead and head over to farms, and you can check all the farms. The APR is right here. The higher percentage the APR, the better. So if you can get 183%, that's much better than the 94%, okay? So 198% is pretty high. And also you want to make sure you pay attention to the dates, because some of these dates, they end earlier. So you can see the double reward until October 28th. After that, the reward halves, and that's in about 10 days, okay? So even though you have 276 now, later it'll be like 135%. So check this out, 243%, that's going to be about 120% on October 28th. So just remember that these will only last for another 10 days, so it's better to get them in there now. All right, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I'll catch you all in the next one.